Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Shireen, aka Sher, and guys, I am back with another video. And in today's video, guys, I'll be showing you how to place a velcro. I'll be doing a velcro ponytail. So I'll be showing you all the little good stuff, how to catch the hair, and some little tips and tricks to make your ponytail sleek and nice. So guys, if you're interested in seeing how I go about doing my genie updo or my genie ponytail using a velcro ponytail, stay tuned guys. Remember to like, comment, share, and subscribe. If you haven't already subscribed to my channel, please consider subscribing. Hit the notification bell so you'll know each time I'll post a new video. And also, run on over to my Instagram and follow me at I am 876 fab_hereby_share for more dope videos. So guys, without any further ado, let's jump right into this video. Okay guys, so I purchased my ponytail. Pardon nice guys. I purchased my ponytail from Amazon, and this is the package it came in. So I'm just gonna open it up and show you what I got. So yeah. So whoa. Alright, so this is the ponytail, and we have a leaflet that comes in it that shows you how to do your thing, and also it came with this little comb and these little pins and this little bottle, and it also comes with this scrunchie that fell out. So these are all that came with it in this nice little cute package. So let me show you the ponytail now. It's in this Ziploc bag. I'm gonna open it up, and here is the ponytail guys. Here's the ponytail. It's 35 inches long, and it's in the shade dark brown. So it has a little mesh over it, so I'm gonna take this mesh off. Alright guys, so this is it. Trying to let you see. And it has this little comb in the ear right here, and this section to wrap around the ponytail. So there you go. Alright, so I'm gonna get into doing this ponytail. Alright, so guys, I went ahead. I didn't want my ponytail to look just basic, just like a basic updo. So I went ahead and got my hair cornrow. So I did this cute heart at the side. And guys, today is my birthday. So yeah. Alright, so I did this cute heart at the side, and I did some triangles here with a little cornrow. And over on this side, I got this nice $sign, yeah, and these two long braids down. As I said, I don't want my ponytail to look basic, so I'm gonna go ahead now and show you guys how to do this ponytail. All right, so these little areas that I have here are for my baby hairs. So these are for my baby hairs, right? So I'm going to catch my hair up into the crown of my head, like here. So I'm going to just comb it up. yeah guys, this is going to be a quick and easy fix. Nothing too hard. Guys, my hair is scratching me, so never mind yesterday scratching this. So this is how I'm going to be catching the hair. Alright. So I want this to be so neat. I'm going to use a scrunchie to catch this. So I'm going to scrunchie hair tie, whatever you call it. And I'm going to catch this. Okay guys, so this is how I'm catching the hair. Let me just show you from the back. This is how it's looking so far, and the side and the front right here. So kind of this not me show. Alright guys, so I want my ponytail to be firm. I want it to be tall right here, and I want it to be firm. So because the leave out that I have here is not thick and it's small, I'm going to use some braids to plait onto my hair and wrap it around so I can get my ponytail to be firm. That's this area right here. I want it to be firm and sturdy. So I'm going to use some braids. So here's the braid. So I'm just gonna open this up in two, and I'm going to just plait it up on this. So I'm going to just open this up. Just add this to the top of the hair. Alright guys, so you want to have it flat. So this is the extension that I plait on the hair. I'm just going to wrap it around. As I said, I want my ponytail to be firm right here. I want it to be firm. Okay, there you go. Alright, so now I'm going to use some hair moisturizer to give my hair some sheen. I'm going to use a little bit of gel also to hold my hair in place. So this is what I use. It's the Optimum. This is Optimum Oil Therapy, guys, and I've had this for a while. I don't know if you guys, it's still on the market, but I'm just going to use this to polish my hair to give it some sheen. Okay, that's good enough for me. Alright, so I'm now going to take my ponytail, and this area here I am going to, that's this, I'm going to stick it right here and wrap this part around this bone that I have here. So let's go. So here's the comb. I'm gonna stick it in front of my ponytail, like right there. Alright. So now I am going to take this side and bring it around this. Bring it around the bump that I made. This side. Around my ponytail. This is not so easy to be doing it. I'm doing it on camera. So I'm gonna grab this part. So now I'm going to use one of these pins that came in with it to secure the end of the ponytail. So guys, there you have it. So guys, this is it. Alright guys, so that's it for my ponytail. Hope you like it guys. If you like this video, remember to like, comment, share and subscribe if you haven't already subscribed. Give the video a thumbs up if you like the video.